Alright fellas, today we're going to be doing an air fuel vent mod. We're going to be taking out the air fuel vent that's in here. You just got this little screw right here. Ooh, that's some musty stuff. Oh, look at the crud on this guy. Yeesh, dude. Alright, so when you're doing it, there's this little piece down here. Let me focus the camera. There's like a little clip end down there. I kind of just want at an angle. Just gonna flick it, flicked right out. And it'll fall right down there. And then voila. This is what you're gonna want to get out, is that freaking spring guy. Once you remove him, put him back in, you're bada bing, bada boom. That's pretty much it. This is the guy, so as you can see, there's a clip here, and there's a clip here. You just squeeze that out. I just broke mine, but hey, it's out. So fellas, that's how you do a fuel vent mod. You just have to have those two square end flaps on pointing down, and then you're bada bing, bada boom. Now we just gotta put it back together.